Okay, this video will take a quick look at connecting the cabling from the 6800 series CAM to a 6851 3PCC phone. The cable it's using is a smaller RJ style cable. It looks like it's a RJ9 style cable. So you kind of notice that's one end of the cable. The cable is a custom size. You'll notice here once I install it, it's a very snug fit. This will be the other side of the cable. I have used this for a number of months, so it has loosened up a little bit, but when you do the initial install, it will appear that it's fairly snug. Just make sure, align everything precisely. So I'm going to do the phone side here. Okay, we have a positive click. Now I'm going to do the CAM side. Okay, let me switch my hands for a moment. And then, okay, we have a positive click, so that should be good. And then what we're going to do next is, at this point of time, there's no other cabling per se. As far as from the CAM to the phone, the only thing we have now is to connect the RJ45 cable to the phone itself. So this is going to a PoE switch. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and flip over the phone here. And we'll see immediately that the CAM comes on. There's no settings in the phone that I need to configure for the CAM. The actual phone will recognize the CAM. As of this recording, I do have the latest firmware in the phone, 12.0.1 MPP firmware. The phone is registered to WebEx calling, but there was nothing special I needed to do as far as for the phone to recognize the CAM, and or in WebEx calling, there's nothing special I needed to do for the CAM, because as soon as the CAM is plugged into the phone boots, it will go ahead and power on the CAM and recognize there's a CAM. The CAM will get its firmware from the phone itself, so there's no special procedure per se applying firmware to the phone. It takes the phone approximately a minute and a half to boot up. This is MPP phone, also known as 3PCC, and we'll take a look at it. This phone I have already added to WebEx calling. So you'll see extension. I blurred out the number there, the phone number for obvious reasons. We'll make a test call here. Testing. Okay. And let's take a quick look at some of the information of phones. So we'll go down the menu here, and we'll go and find the status, and then we're going to go down the menu here, and we're going to locate status again, and then product information. And then we see it's a 6851 3PCC phone. It has 12-0-1 MPP firmware, also known as 12.0.1 MPP firmware, which is the latest firmware as the recording of this video. And then let's go ahead and find some information regarding the CAM itself. As I mentioned, the CAM does get its firmware from the phone itself. And then let's go under accessories. Let's go to antenna console unit 1. And then we'll look at the details for the antenna console unit 1. Okay, hardware version 1, firmware 12319. Okay, I'm blurring out the serial number, and there's a part number 68KEM-3PCC. Thank you for watching this video. Hopefully this video helps